Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are still in quarantine and we are going to be playing with some different magnetic lashes because I did not learn my lesson the first time. So I don't know if you guys remember, I did a magnetic lash review a couple of months ago. I will link that in the card above if you want to take a look. It was a disaster, I'm not gonna lie. But you guys deserve to know, right? Do these work? I mean, is it easier than putting on like glued lashes? And I'll be honest with you, I don't really wear magnetic or false eyelashes very often. I use Rodan & Field's Lashboost. So with mascara, my lashes are pretty long. But I mean, this is always fun to play with, right? And when you're in the drugstore and you're in quarantine, you see things online, you put them in your Amazon cart, you're like, do they work? Let's find out. So I picked up the Kiss brand magnetic eyeliner. So you buy these separately. So this is the first package. This is the magnetic eyeliner. And this is what it looks like. I picked this up for $9.99 and then at Walmart. And then I also got the magnetic lashes. So you have to get both. If you just get one, obviously you don't have the lashes, but there are some kits that they have that have both. So it just depends on maybe the style that you want to use. So again, I am certainly not a lash guru at all. But I thought this would make a fun video. We're sitting at home, we got nothing else to do. If you were ever wondering if they work, this is a little bit different than the last one. This is kind of like a liquid liner, whereas the one I tried before was more of a gel liner. And I think the last one was you had to apply them when the gel was still wet. The instructions here say that you have to make sure that it's dry. So, we're gonna get to it and I'm gonna let you know. First off though, can we admire the amazing shirt that I'm wearing that I got from Big Lots for $8? You know, I've actually gotten a lot of compliments on it. So, you know, I'm trying to save you money. So $8 at Big Lots. So anyway, let's just get into it. A couple things I recommend when you are trying these out. First and foremost, read the directions. Secondly, keep all of the packaging and your receipts, because if they don't work, you can take them back. So this says, and again, forgive me, I've had another birthday and I have a hard time seeing. Line with Kiss magnetic eyeliner along the lash line and wait until formula is dry. Lash right onto the applied eyeliner. And it says to remove, wet a cotton swab with an oil-based makeup remover, gently wipe away the eyeliner. So this can work with your Kiss magnetic lashes. So, okay, let's get on into it. It does also say to make sure that you shake this. So we're gonna shake it. And I do not wear a lot of liquid liner. So if I look like Stevie Wonder after I've put it on, no judgment, okay? Because this is an experiment and it's, we'll see what happens, so. Okay. I'm nervous. Okay. This is what it looks like. I don't know why I saw everything. So that's what it looks like. It's like a felt tip. Let's see how badly I can mess this up. Okay, so that's just a thin coat across. I'm gonna leave it and see how little we can get away with, right? I'm not normally a heavy eyeline wearer, so let's see what happens. Like the big bump I have on this, I'm a hot mess. Okay, so now this eye is like thicker than this eye. Okay. Now we let it dry. It's still not even. Doesn't that happen to everybody? So I think they're dry. So I've taken the lashes out of the package and this is what they look like. So let's See what happens. You might have to trim them too. I mean, that doesn't necessarily mean that you get, it's just like regular lashes. If your eyes are smaller, you may need to trim them. Okay, let's go. Well, I think I definitely have to trim them, and I might need to put some more. I just have the worst luck with these. All right. Okay, let's try it again. Yeah, they're not wanting to stay. But let's try the other one, because I think the other band is a little thicker. And then what I'll do is I'll go back and I'll put some more eyeliner on and see if that helps. But let's try the other. No, that didn't work. Okay, we're going to keep trying. All right, we're going to put a little bit more eyeliner on and see if that helps. I obviously goofed up a little bit there and a little bit on the inner corner here, but we're going to let it dry and we're going to give it another go. Okay, so it's dry. We're going to try again. They're lifting a little bit in the corner. Hold on. Now it keeps lifting in the corner, but everything else is secured. I think they might be a little too long. Yeah, see, like if I touch them, they like pop up a little bit. I think it's just a little too long. Maybe if I trim them, I don't know. What do we think? I mean, it's pretty. It feels a little funny though. Let me try the next one. Okay, ready? All right, this was much more successful, but I'm still having issues on the inner corners. I wonder if I trimmed them, if that would happen, or if I just need to put more on in the inner corner. Yeah, maybe I just need to put more on in the inner corner. I think that might be it, because everywhere else now it's like good. Like they don't even feel like they're moving. Let me try that. Okay, so now I have a ridiculous amount of eyeliner on, at least for me. And I'm pretty confident it's not equal, but whatever. Okay, so that one's on. It feels funny though. Maybe I'm not used to wearing them. I don't know. It feels like it's gonna pop off in the inner corner. Okay. Maybe I'm just wearing them too close in the corner. I think this one is. Hold on. See, that feels much more comfortable. And I think it's just too long. Right? That one, this one. Maybe? I don't know. Ah. All right, I'm gonna cut them. Yeah, no. I think I would rather glue something on and know that it's not gonna do this. I mean, what if I'm out wearing these, I don't know, you know, like somewhere really cool, like the grocery store, and and it's popping off my eye. You can't have that. I mean, these are better than, and I'm sorry for the noise, my lawn people are here, which is yay, good, but you know, it's noisy, so. These are better than the other brand, but it's taking, it's just, maybe I'm just impatient, I don't know. It's too much tinkering, and like, just a minute ago, like a piece of my hair fallen, and I went to pull it out, and it like, just pulled it right off. So it's like, I don't know how I feel about that. So I think these are getting better. I mean, this one feels much better now, but it's, like there's a hair in this one. Let's see what happens. No, it doesn't come off. But yeah, I just like went like that and it's falling off. So I think that these are gonna be a pass for me, unfortunately. They just didn't work well enough for me. So I think if I ever need to wear magnetic or false lashes, I'll probably just put glue on because I've had better luck with them. And I don't know if you can see, like some of the glue or some of the eyeliner has come off from where the magnets were. I don't know if that's normal, but you should know. So I'm pointing it out to you. So once again, we have a hard pass on the magnetic lashes. I was really hopeful for these, but yeah, no, they're not gonna work for me. So fail for more magnetic lashes, unfortunately. But thank you guys for kind of sticking with me, and I really tried to make these work. I really wanted these to work, but I wouldn't be comfortable walking outside, let alone going anywhere, even a movie, with these on. God forbid my hair blows in my eye and I lose a lash. So hard pass for me, but I really appreciate you guys sticking with me through it. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, the button down below, ring the bell. That way you're notified anytime I upload new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.